Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on newborn cloth diapers. The newborn range is my favorite variety available these days in cloth diapering. There are various brands that offer newborn range of cloth diapers, and I've used a few brands for my child until she was able to fit into them. The newborn diapers are very petite these days, and they really give you a very snug fit and easily last for 2-3 hours, and sometimes even 5 to 6 hours for me. So with newborns, you don't have as such a nighttime diapering, because with newborns the sleeping pattern is going to be very different, and they are going to often wake up for feeds. So I would say you can plan to change the diaper every time they wake up for feed, and so you can maintain about uh, 2 to 3 hours gap between each diaper change, and you can have some diaper free time and use nappies or fitted diapers through the day, and probably at the night time you can go for waterproof option or with proper AIOs and pocket diapers. So the newborn variety is being offered in brands like Just Bum, Fluff Trails, Bumpadum, Super Bottoms, Suki's Reusables. So all these brands have a very good range of newborn diapers, and I my personal favorites have been Just Bump, Fluff Trails, Bumpadum, Super Bottoms, Sukis. All these I've used in the newborn range. So there is, again, the question comes, all these brands are there, but which to go for? Again, it really works based on your need and what are you expecting from the diaper. For me, the Just Bum diaper, newborn diaper, had a velcro closure, so it was very easy for me to put it on the baby soon after the bath when the baby is very fussy. Similarly with super bottoms also, it comes with the velcro closure. The Just Bump elastics is little more gentler when compared to the elastics of Super Bottom and Bumpadum. But Bumpadum newborn diaper lasted for 5 to 6 hours easily, and I was able to use it during the night time if my baby has not pooped without changing the diaper, even between two feeds. The Just Bum and Bumpadum diapers, you would see that it would come in the pad fold format, trifold format, even super bottoms for that instance. Uh, Bumpadum also has a feature wherein you have the knots, wherein you can just tie it as a pad fold, tie it as a cloth nappy, tie the insert as a cloth nappy, and just put the diaper as a cover on top of it. I've always preferred using as a insert itself, so I've always snapped it and used it as an insert. I didn't. I never used it as a nappy as such. But Bumpadum gives a much more longer absorbency period, like I told you. Suki's has a very gentle elastic. Same goes with Fluff Trails, newborn range. And one thing about the fitting or the how much time you can use the newborn diaper depends on the weight range of your baby. Many brands say that they can be used up to 6 months, but I would say go with the weight of the baby as the reference. For example, I was able to use super bottoms and bumpadum only for about 4 months of time, or 3.5 months to 4 months of time. Just bump, I was able to use till about 5.5 months. So that truly depends on the weight range of the baby. So just bump could be used up to like 7.5 kgs. So super bottoms and bumpadum I was able to use till about only 6 kgs. So there goes the difference. Mostly with respect to absorbency, with a newborn, the peas will be more frequent, the quantity will be comparatively less, so you just need something that need to quickly absorb the pea, and then hold at least 2 to 3 pieces of that quantity. So mostly cotton soakers or cotton with bamboo would work fine. But if your baby is really heavy wetter, you can go for some hemp boosters also for the night time. Apart, if you are using any other brand apart from Bumpadum, for example, which comes with already a layer of hemp. For any other brand, you can use hemp boosters also, or you can even use a hemp folds that are available in companies like Fluff Trails and Fluff Makers, and put it inside the pocket and use it. So These were the brands that I used for my newborn. And also you have this diaper free option. I will make a separate video for diaper free options, especially with the newborns. It is, I would say, it is preferable to use diaper free option throughout the day and go for diapers only during the night time or when they sleep longer for like 2 to 3 hours, so that it will maintain the suppleness of their skin and won't cause any dryness. And every time during the diaper change, use coconut oil lavishly. Rub the coconut oil on their thighs and bum, so that the skin will never go dry. So let me know if you have any more questions on the newborn diapers. I will be happy to help you with my knowledge in using these. I'm already little sad that my baby outgrew this newborn options, because those Velcro closures were my favorite. It was very easy to put on. Of course, with the Velcro closure now, I'm sure she will take off the diaper of her bum very easily, and leading to more mess. So my baby has graduated to the snap buttons now, and I will make more videos like I told you on the diaper free options and other AIOs that I use these days. So look forward to connect with me more. Let me know if you have any questions. I will also put a link to all those brands that I used, and you can connect with them for the newborn range of diapers. Hope this was helpful. Look forward to see you more in upcoming videos. Bye bye.